There's your CP1 mounted on the bottom there. Okay, Eric, here's the amp deck. Okay, got the thermostatically controlled set up right there. There's the wires that go out to the fan, and what you're seeing there is I've got the a toroid with the wire going out to the fan wrapped around it, so we don't get fan noise back inside the radio. On the power connector, I decided to solder the wires to the pins rather than trying to use that connector. Okay, and here's what I'm getting. I'm on AM channel 20. RF power's all the way up. I have a 500 watt slug on the RMS side, which is the meter on the left. I have a 1000 watt slug on the peak side, and the peak meter is on ×1. We're reading on that bottom scale, 100 equals 1000. Okay, now I've got your dead key set up to about 100 watts with the amp on. It goes up to about right there. And audio, we're almost at 1000 watts on peak. This is on AM. Hello audio. And I hadn't even turned the SP1 on. Let's turn the SP1 on and see what happens. Hello audio. Audio 1 2 audio. Audio. Okay. Now let's go to sideband. Alright, I'm on lower sideband now. Audio, over 500 watts RMS. Audio, and right at 1000 peak on sideband. Okay. Your auxiliary fan hadn't come on yet. Let me talk on it a little bit more here and see if I can't get the aux fan to come on. Hello audio, audio 1 2 1 2 audio, audio, audio. I might put a 1000 watt slug on the RMS side there on the left just to see what it's actually doing, and there comes the auxiliary. Okay, so that's going to keep it cool. The little ones will come on if you're just, just talking a little bit and unkeying. They'll keep it cool. But the big one comes on when it starts getting really warm. If you start talking into it heavy. Okay, audio, hello audio, back on AM. Audio, that's real close to 1000 right there. Audio, audio. Now see, I backed that down to about 100 watts, actually a little bit more than 100. And the reason I did that is we want that thing to go forward. We don't want it to back up. So with the RF power turned all the way up, I've got it set to about 110 watts, and it still moves forward. It swings forward. If I turn it up more than that, then it starts wanting to back up. And you don't get as much peak out of it. So that's why I've got it set like that. All right. Okay. I think I've already showed you all the stuff inside there. I'll show it to you again, just in case. This is the wiring for your SP1. I still have to dress this, tie everything up. There's the SP1A. It's mounted directly underneath the echo board with double-sided tape, automotive double-sided tape. Your voltage regulator buffer filter's been upgraded from a 1000 to a 3300 microfarad. The DC input buffer filter's been upgraded from a 1000 to a 3300. Okay, this is the wire going out to your switch box, and we got a whole bunch of extra wires in here in case you ever want to do anything else. Had other switches for other things. You got 2 spare switches on the switch box. There's your new filter. There's the first RF amp that's been upgraded to a 2SC2999. Okay, and of course the full conversion's been done. CP1 is underneath, is in this bottom part here. Well, I've already showed that to you, so I'm not going to take that cover back off. But Your CP1's mounted on the bottom to keep it out of the way. All right. Bias has been set on the finals. Everything's running really smooth. Okay, I'm real happy with the output of this amp deck. All right, more to come. Okay, one last shot of the inside there, showing you how to dress the wires up. Got them all out of the way. There's your SP1. Okay. This is the extra wires from the cable that goes to the switch box on the top. Okay, Steve, there it is. For all practical purposes, it's finished. Here's your switch box up here. This is the SP1. This is high cut. And this one is the amp. Okay, this one and this one has no function yet. This is a double pole, double throw switch. This is a single pole, single throw switch. Alright, so if you decide you want to add something or expand it later on, we've already got two switches in place. You're ready to go. I have to order the decal for this to match the decal on this. At least I think that's what you wanted. I believe you listed it as a red flame decal, but get back with me and let me know if you want the silver or if you want the red flame. Pretty sure you're going to want the brushed aluminum so that it matches the face of the radio. Okay, that's pretty. I like that. Really, really like that. Okay, I've already showed you the output power. I'm waiting on, well, I got to run to the hardware store and get some automotive or some outdoors black paint so that I can touch these nuts up and make them the same color as everything else. Alright. Eric, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 7-3, everybody.